Here's a quick question. Bathroom reno. Is it normal for a company to charge a fee to come out and quote for a bathroom reno? That's a great question because I know I like to charge a fee, so I know people that are serious about getting something done. Because a lot of the time, this is my own opinion, and then we're going to go through a bunch of people's opinion here. But I found that people that are willing to pay want to get it done, and a lot of insurance companies, they tell their customers, "Oh, go and get 3 quotes and then send it back to us, and then they might get a payout," or something like that. And you're just going out there and giving a written quote for nothing. You're never going to get the job. You're doing someone else's job for them, assessing it and putting a price on it. So let's have a look at what some of these people have come up with. And this is on the Reno Club group, if you want to look for it. Let's look at these comments. It's a tough life as a tradie. Generally, if we ask for a cost to quote, we are genuine and quality, and we'll take this cost off the total amount. If you want it cheaper, your choice with potentially less benefit. A lot of people saying no, they need to sell you their products and services. No, well actually they don't have to. They don't have to. If you want someone who's in demand, he doesn't need your work. You need his work. Another guy's written, Michael's written, must be a smart business. If it comes off the final price, if you decide to go ahead, then I would say that's quite normal. Another person said, yes, as above, if they charge a fee for a quote and then subtract it for the job, I'd be fine with that. Quoting a bathroom is a large job and it's time consuming, depending on the job or the customer. You could change your approach and have a set budget and ask if they are able to complete their job for the budget you have set for it. More people said no. Yep, it's pretty normal for a good builder to charge for a quote. Time is money. Like the other comments, generally it comes off the final quote if you go ahead. I agree with that. Lauren had a good answer. Historically, no, but with the cost of living and interest rates rising, it's becoming more popular to do so. Put it this way, would you like to work for free? Well, actually at a loss, because if you count the petrol, quoting software, and time taken to not only come and inspect your project, but also do up the quote, that's exactly what you're asking a tradie to do. D's written, I've never paid a tradie to come out and for a quote for any work. Alex has written, sometimes they can filter out customers that are just looking for the cheapest quote. Those who are looking for a good job don't mind paying for the hours they can go in or quote. No, I know. Especially with plastering and painting and that sort of thing. You know, you get called out for a water damage quote. They want a written quote. You have to ask the question, is it for your insurance company? Because you know you're never going to get that job. And there's paperwork that goes with it and time waiting. You're just not going to get it. Joshua's written, would you work 3 to 4 hours for free? Normally it comes off the job if accepted. I've done it plenty of times. Actually, I have a link, and if people are interested, I say, look, it's going to cost you, and I send them straight to a link. I don't waste any time because I'd rather be doing 100 million other things or be on the tools working. And you've got to go across town. It's just not that easy these days. Angie, yep, absolutely. It's their time and effort to properly measure and quote. Most trades will take that cost off the total. Think of it this way. Would you waste your time investing 2 to 3 hours for free? Definitely not. Elizabeth, she said no. So it's very mixed. Eric has said, I always charge for quotes. If accepted, it always comes off the price. My time is valuable and I don't exist for the whims of time wasters chasing the cheapest quote. It's a seller's market at the moment, which means that for better or for worse, trades get to pick who they work for, not the other way around. That is a good answer from Eric. Let me know in the comments what you think is the correct answer, and we'll even do a poll in the community area. I'll put a link to the poll, or we can just you can write in the comments yes or no. Is it okay to charge a fee to do a quote? I think I've asked this before, but this group, I think it's mixed. Any other good questions here? Yes, all good builders charge a call out and quote fee for the time of travel. Yes, the really good quality ones I've found will charge because they value their time, but I would first gauge the good quality based on reputation, recommendations, etc. I wouldn't pay just for any builder to quote. No, nor would I. And a lot of small things, small jobs, if the jobs are only worth like less than $1,000, you really don't want to be going out there, coming home, and then going back out there. You really need to do it there on the spot. But that's just for a small plastering job, not a bathroom reno. Some companies, Jono said, some companies are trying it on. Just continue to laugh hysterically while you hang up. Whatever, bro. It comes off the price is a BS term. They inflate the final figure to maintain that fee, but you think it's discounted. Well, let me know about that comment. Well, fair enough. Jessica's, no, when we renovated our bathroom, I got 3 different quotes and none of them had a fee. Yeah, it depends on the demand, really. If you don't want to, if you've seen someone that's got good work and you really want them, just say the Drywall Gangsters or something. They're coming to set your whole house. You want to, definitely, you pay them a few $100s to go and give a quote. Actually, I've set up on my website, global.maxkill.com, that you can, customer can pay for here's my big idea. They pay $150 for a quote anywhere in Australia, and it can be really anywhere around the world. And my company gets $50. The tradie, just to go and quote, will give them $100, and they will go and quote a written quote, and they know the customer. If I send them out to go do a quote, no one will go, but I'll say the customer's already paid, they're motivated, they're ready to go. They're not tire kickers, and they got money to spend. So I think if they've got some skin in the game, the customer, I think, you've got a higher chance of, you get paid for the quote, and you've got a higher chance of getting it as well if you submit a good quote. So that's on my website. That's what I'm cooking right now. I just thought I'd bring that up. This video wasn't about that at all. But thank you very much for listening. And that was the question, bathroom reno. Is it normal for a company to charge a fee to come out and quote for a bathroom reno? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you next video.